Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another video. In this video we are going to do unboxing and review of an smartwatch. As here you can see, this is how the box pack looks like. So this smartwatch comes from boAt. On the top of the box you can able to see the picture of the watch itself along with the boAt logo, and if you see here it is clearly mentioned it is made in India by an Indian brand. So basically boAt is an Indian brand, and the model name of this watch is Wave Call. If you go to the left side, here is the boAt branding, and on the right side if we see, it comes with the Bluetooth calling. It is clearly mentioned here. Down if we go, here is the all information about the year of manufacturing and number of warranty. It comes with a warranty of 1 year, and if you see here, the price is written as 7,990, which is near to 8,000, but you can get this watch less than 2,000 rupees on e-commerce site like Amazon. In the video description you can get the link to buy this watch. This watch also comes in multiple colors. Right now on the screen you will be able to see what all different color options available. So here I have the pink color variant of this watch. If we turn to the back of the box, here they clearly mentioned about some quick specifications, as it comes with 1.69 inch HD display, cloud and custom based watch faces, and it comes with heart rate, blood oxygen level and sleep monitor. Comes with notification feature, so you can get a notification feature for call, text and social media application. Multiple sports modes also it supports. Camera and music control also it supports. It has IP68 dust, sweat and splash resistant. It is compatible with Android 6.0 and above, and also it is compatible with Android 12.0 and above. And down here you get a QR code which you can scan to download the application of this smartwatch from Play Store or the App Store. So this is all about the box. So let me open the box and let's see what we get inside the box. Once you open the box, you get the watch itself. We'll get back to watch later. Let me see what else we get inside the box. So we get a connector here which is going to charge our smartwatch. So this side you get a normal USB port, and here is the magnetic type port which you just have to plug it to your watch and it is going to charge. And if I talk about other things, so here are some paperwork, and this is the use guide of the watch. If we see here, they also clearly mentioned about the charging instruction for this watch, and along with the app setup and what all features it comes with and how to use that. So they clearly mentioned here. We are going to use those and quickly we'll see that. So let me take you back to the watch itself. So this is how the watch looks like. So let me turn it on. When we turn on this watch, it comes with boAt logo, and as soon as possible it gets turned on. It does not take a lot of time to turn on. And let me tell you about the strip quality of this watch. So this strip quality also thick, and it is also a strong strip they are giving. And if on the back of the watch we see, here is the charging port. So to charge this watch you just have to bring this port and put it here. So it is magnetic type, just you have to leave it here, so it will get attached and your charging is going to start. On the back of the watch you get the heart rate monitoring sensor, and here is the microphone, as it's a Bluetooth calling watch. So this is how the watch looks like. The watch display is quite big compared to its price range in which it is coming, which is going to be very useful. And the quality of the display also good. The display is clearly visible under the high light conditions like direct sunlight also. So if I talk about the interface, so this is how the clock looks like, and here is the clock information with date, and on the top you get the battery percentage or the battery left out information. If we scroll down, here is the sports information, how many times you walk or how many time you done the workout, and here is the calorie burn information. So heart rate information also it shows here, and here is the sleep tracking information. Here if you see, here it also going to show you the weather information itself in the watch. And here is the Bluetooth calling option. It comes with a dialer also, and you can like turn this on so that you can receive your call, or you can directly also make a call from here. Here also you can access your contacts or last call history you can also access from here. Here is a music control option also you get, and if you got any message, so those information you get here. And the camera control option also you get here, so it is clearly mentioned the camera, and SpO2 monitoring, stopwatch, find phone, timer. And if we go to the setting, so you can go to the about section. It's not an Android watch, it's a basic watch or a smartwatch. So this is the information it is showing. Also you get the raise to wake off. So basically when you will be turning this watch off, so it is going to turn on the display. Also you get the power off and the reset option. If we go to the face watch, so as here you can see, by default it also comes with few of the watch faces. You can apply it as per your choice, and also you can download more watch faces from the application itself. So these were the features that you get inside this watch. So this watch is quite responsive, and it also does not lag much. Basically I am used this one, so there is no lag in fast review. So if you are thinking to buy and watch, then you can go for it. It also gives a premium look because on the side metallic finish was given, but actually it's a plastic, but they tried to give a metallic finish here. And also you get the speaker option here, so that you can receive your call from directly here itself. You can hear your call. This is a loudspeaker. So that's all about this watch. So if you are interested to buying this watch, you can go to the description section of this video and buy this watch. So thank you for watching this video till the end. Subscribe to our channel for more such videos. If you have any question related to this watch, you can ask it in the comment section of this video. We'll be going to answer all the questions you have related to this watch. Thank you.